You mentioned that when you write content, you look for the sticking point, and I'm curious if you could explain what it is and how you identify it.
I think the sticking point is a lot like the turn from problem, agitation, solution. Um, and it really comes down to identifying that core complaint problem, amplifying it, and then selecting that honesty thing of like, here's the one element of it that we can change. Cost, customer acquisition costs, cost per acquisition, CPA on Facebook. These things are all rising. And the more you spend, the lower your efficiency gets. That is true. And what I can tell you is I can help you understand why that's true. There's a bell curve of customer adoption. And when you start with the early adopters, the innovators, product market fit is 100%. Right? Your mom is going to buy from you because she loves you. She's free to acquire. And a lot of your early customers are like that. And then you have to move into these, late adopters, late majority, and you're moving further and further away. Physical proximity being even one of the things, it's going to cost you more to go further and reach these. So of course, the cost to acquire these customers go up. But what you don't understand is that the creative you choose is just as important as anticipating those rising costs and building them into your budgets. Because there are certain types of creative that will drive these different customer segments at these different times. And especially, like, you can't use the stuff that worked really, really well for your innovators and your early adopters for the late majority, because they don't want to be innovative. They want it to be proven. They want to see how it can change their life because it's changed the lives of a lot of other people. The same thing is true as if you try to take that approach of social proof and reviews and give it to early adopters, they don't want it, because they want to be early. They want to be first. And that's the kind of thing of like, okay, that's like an example of a sticking point. Costs are going up. I can help you understand why and head them off. They're still going to go up, but it can be better.